So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video.
So Ryan was on his way to pick up a passenger last Thursday and ended up getting hit by a drunk driver.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, I walked away and the other guy went to jail.
Wow.
Yeah, guys,
because it could have been a lot worse. This is the reality of driving Uber. I was literally just talking about this the other day. You can be the safest driver in the world, but the fact of the matter is, guys, the more you're driving Uber and Lyft, the more chances you have statistically of getting into an accident by something like this. This is a really bad accident.
Yeah, like if you're on the road 70 hours a week like that other guy, then it just increases your chances of like something bad happening.
Oh, he actually caught on dash. Oh, I don't know if we can show this. It's like really bad.
Oh, I don't know. Well, we're not live, so.
Oh, shit.
Oh, the dash cam fell too, huh?
Oh, this is scary. Oh, crap. Oh, there's audio. Do you want to watch this or no? Holy moly.
That sounds
crazy,
bad.
right? Yeah. Wow.
Good thing the other guy went to jail.
That just got my heart racing. Praise Jesus, you're okay. We thank God for your life. Hard luck. Hopefully you're okay. Make sure you file against the drunk driver's insurance since he's at fault, not yours. Also claim lost wages for the number of days you weren't able to drive. Screenshots your weekly wages. Get a medical checkup too, even if you feel all right for documentation. Never answer you're okay when asked by insurance agents.
That's good. So yeah, guys, this is what you should do if you ever get in an accident that's not your fault while you're driving Uber. You could get compensated for the days that you can't drive because your car is wrecked.
Or low key, from the emotional damage. Like if I got into an accident like this driving Uber, I'm like, I don't want to be driving anymore.
Yeah, I would be scared to like get back on the road.
Yeah, like like anxiety is a very real thing, and if you got into an accident like this, even if you have a car, like another car, like, or after your car's fixed,
It gives you like PTSD to start driving again.
Oh yeah, for sure. So just be careful, guys. And really, I mean, honestly, think twice about driving Uber. Like you need to recognize this, that it is a dangerous activity.